I'm the master of my fate. I'm the captain of my soul. This has been a tough year for all of us. As I talk to students and friends from around the world, I get the feeling that everybody is feeling a little trapped. Trapped in their homes, trapped by their circumstances, or just trapped with their feelings of frustration. So in this video, I want to talk about finding hope when we feel imprisoned by our circumstances. And to explore this topic, I can think of no better person in history than Nelson Mandela. Let's take a look.
This is Profound, the show where we analyze life lessons that the pros found. I'm your host, Jake Cano. Join me while we look at movies, music, TV shows, and books, and find life lessons that change the way we look at the world.
If you want to see more of these types of videos, hit the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe. Now, let's jump right in. I didn't know much about Nelson Mandela until I saw the movie Invictus. Nelson Mandela was born in South Africa in 1918. As he grew up, there was continual racial tension between the white Afrikaners and the black native South Africans. When Mandela was in his 20s, he became a political activist, participating in many peaceful protests to end racial segregation, which was officially called the apartheid. Mandela was accused of treason for opposing the South African government. He was tried and sentenced to life in prison. But after 27 years, he was released from prison, and he went on to become instrumental in ending the apartheid and was elected the first black president of South Africa. This is where Invictus picks up. We meet Mandela as he's taking office for the first time. Despite his election, racial tension is still at an all-time high.
Here he comes.
Yeah, he wants the satisfaction of firing us himself.
But the opposite happened. Mandela spread a message of love and acceptance. He found many ways to bond a divided nation, including supporting the national rugby team to win the world championship. Throughout the movie, we get to know Mandela, and we learn about his time in prison. He spent 27 years of his life locked away, but during that time, he never gave up.
In Pollsmoor prison, all of my jailers were Afrikaners. For 27 years, I studied them.
And in his studies, he discovered a poem titled Invictus. It tells of a beautiful story about how we can control our fate despite the circumstances. The poem became Mandela's life theme, and he often recited it to other prisoners. Nelson Mandela teaches us a critical lesson about leadership. All leaders believe that they control their fate. This is what gives them hope and drive to push on despite their circumstances. When we feel trapped, imprisoned, the only thing that can give us hope is a vision, a direction for the future. And that direction inspires us to take action. And that action leads to progression. And that progression gives us confidence and hope. Nelson Mandela experienced a great injustice, but he didn't let it defeat him. He spent every day learning and growing. He never lost sight of the future. And because of that, he went from prisoner to president, and he changed the world forever. Whoever you are, whatever your circumstances may be, never stop growing. It's the difference between living your life in a prison or a playground. So when you feel hopeless, remember Nelson Mandela. Remember to find your direction and to keep moving. Remember, you are the master of your fate. You are the captain of your soul. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Let me know if you have any other recommendations for movies, books, TV shows, or any type of media that you want me to do a life lessons video on. We'll see you next time.